behalf of the Aperol Fellowship Center and Adventist Hospital, the Home Church. This is the church of the Adventist Hospital. HD Aperol Fellowship Center. We are really thankful to the message and song. Wonderful voices, angelic voices, and beautiful and handsome faces. We are really glad that you come. So, muni Dr. James. May musician din nga Dr. No? Grabe. So, when we received the letter, sige, morning mga magulang siguro at mga bata na bisita ni Tuwi. So, nakita na to ang story from Genesis to Revelation. Grabe. So, yung haon po sa kisbutan kanina the Bible. So, from creation to recreation. That's the story of the song. We are really very blessed and we can say very fortunate for this free concert. Imagine, free concert kung imo ito pubaran, siguro 500 ang tickets sa pinakalayo na nangalipuranan sa camp. Diri, frontada pa, free pa dyan. We are hopeful that you enjoy your time with, in this place with us. You enjoy with us, seeing our faces. And we enjoy also seeing your faces singing and kung mahigilig kayo, matita tagatuan eh. So, thank you for coming. Thank you very much for sharing the gift that you have. And for the leaders, director, maybe na adring in there, asan ni dapit ang Iligan City SDA Central Church? Asan na dapit? Dapit. Katong doon sa sanitaryo, doon sa balay ni Dr. Nadan. Uy, marami tumupo yun. Okay, anyway, so we are glad that you come. At least kita na sa mga taga-Iligan. God bless you and andun nyo sa mo dili mag-stay next week. Ang muli na mo, ma. Okay, so na ako may klase dyan. So sorry sa mga sa Davao. Naman si Sweet si Maningod Cabrera Twins. Yung kanan. So, ituro mo nila, no? Asa mo mag-tour, pero katodaw mo, asa mo mag-tour ka rin. So, just go enjoy your time to be with us here. Walay mahal din. God bless you and may God give us more opportunities to be together, no? Magsige mo bisita din para makaupat po